Good day everyone, I am Jeramal Borday from BSN Mathematics 1A. So in this video, I am going to discuss and tell you about the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is a widely used concept related to height and distance, especially in trigonometry. It is defined as an angle between the horizontal plane and oblique line from the observer's eye to some object above his eye. Eventually, this angle is formed above the surface. As the name itself suggests, the angle of elevation is so formed that it is above the observer's eye. For example, an observer is looking at a bird sitting at the rooftop. Then there is an angle formed, which is inclined towards the bird from the observer's eye. This elevation angle is used in finding distances, heights of buildings or towers, etc. with the help of trigonometric ratios such as sine, cosine, and tangent. Angle of elevation definition. The angle of elevation is an angle that is formed between the horizontal line and the line of sight. If the angle of sight is upward from the horizontal line, then the angle formed is an angle of elevation. So it is an example of angle of elevation. The observer and the object. The horizontal line in the distance and the line of sight of the eye and the object. So in the above figure, you can see an observer is looking at the object, standing on the ground, forming an angle 0 with the line of sight and horizontal line. Here, if we join an imaginary line between the object and the end of the horizontal line, a right angle triangle is formed. Thus, we can use here trigonometric concept to find the distance of the observer from the tower or building. Height of the tower or building, or the height at which the object is kept, will be considered as a perpendicular, and the horizontal line will be considered as adjacent side of the triangle formed. So that's all for today's video. Hope that you learned, and thank you for listening.